Okay. Go to question number 11 for me, please.
Okay. Which of the following is equivalent to 8/25?
8/25. Okay. Yeah, 8 over 25, 8/25. Woo, 8/25. Okay, 8/25 is that's close to what fraction?
I don't see it.
How many times is 8 going to 25?
Wait, actually.
Just feel this one out.
It goes into 25 3 times.
3 times, right? It goes into 24 3 times perfectly. Right? Perfectly. Like 8/24 should be a third. Right? So this is just going to be a little bit smaller than a third. Just a little bit smaller than a third. Does that make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to express a third as a decimal?
No.
No? You don't know 1 divided by 3?
0.3.03.
Is it going to be 0.3 or 0.03?
0.03?
No. No. No, think about if we got 1/3, and then obviously if we multiply a third by 3, we get 1, right?
Right.
So because 3 over 1 times 1 over 3 is just 1. Anything multiplied by its reciprocal is 1. So for the correct answer choice, let's say you think I think it's 0.3. Well, multiply that by 3, and what do you get? You don't get 1. What do you get when you multiply 0.03 by 3?
0.03 by 3, you get 3? Like, I don't know.
Yeah, you'd get a 0.9.
0.9.
0.9. Or sorry, no, 0.09. I apologize. 0.09. 0.09. And we're going to go over multiplying decimals here in a little bit, and adding them for that matter. Another way to look at it is like just instead of carrying out the multiplication, add them up 3 times. It's the same as multiplying by 3.
Mm-hmm.
And so just go down 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So 0.09. If you're adding. Ooh. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So that's not super close to 1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not going to be A.
It's not going to be A.
No.
It's not going to be A. That's way too small. And think about that for a minute. Like 0.02, like we could multiply that by 10, and we wouldn't even get anything bigger than 1. Right?
Right.
Like what's 0.02 times 10?
0.02 times 10?
Yeah. You just move the decimal. You just move the decimal over, basically.
Move the decimal to so 0.002.
Well, that would be making it smaller.
0.2.
0.2.
Yeah. 0.2.
Right. And if we multiply 8 over 25 by 10, we're gonna get something bigger than 1. Right. If it's like close to a third. So I agree. Answer is A is too small. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. What about answer choice B?
I don't know.
And if you don't know, that's okay. Let's leave it. Let's leave it. What about answer choice C?
Well, I see both of the numbers in this one.
Yeah. You do. But I want to think in terms of the values. I want to think in terms of the values. Okay? Is a third, or 8 over 25, is that close to 0.825? Is 0.825 bigger than half or less than half?
It's less than half.
No. 0.5 would be half.
It'd be bigger than half?
Oh, yeah. 0.5 is half. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. And 0.825, that's close to 1. Right? Like 0.9 would be close to 1. 0.8 is pretty close to 1. .825 is close to 1. It's definitely bigger than 0.5.
Okay.
I'm guessing here you're not super comfortable with like the values of decimals. Is that a fair?
No.
Let's do this. Let's think in terms of, here you go. Let's think in terms of money. Money! Dude, money! Let's make this concrete. Right?
Right.
.02. That's 2 cents, man.
2 cents.
That's 2 cents. .32. That's 32 cents. Right?
Yeah.
.82. 83 cents. I'm going to round up. Right? That's $3.13. Rounding up again. Why not? Does that make more sense? Those values make more sense now.
Definitely.
It's money. Right? Come on. Is 83 cents more than 50 cents?
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost $1. Not quite.
Almost $1.
Right?
Right.
Is 32 cents. Is that close to a third of $1?
Yes.
Sure is.
Okay. Yes.
Right?
Definitely.
See, you know this stuff.
75 cents. Right.
Yeah. You know this stuff, man. You just didn't realize you knew it.
Yeah.
Gotta make it concrete.
I do. So I would say that C is the closest.
C is the closest to a third of $1?
Yes.
I wouldn't say so. Remember, look, what's a third of $1 going to be? I mean, a third is less than half, right?
Oh, a third.
Yeah.
Third.
A third. Right? 8/25 is close to a third, right? We established that, I thought.
Yeah.
So it's got to be less than half of $1. And because we know it's got to be less than half of $1.
B.
Yeah, look, because it's less than half, we know we can eliminate what answer choices that are not less than half of $1.
So then we know that B is going to be smaller than a half of $1.
Yes, it is. So is A, but A is too small. 2 cents isn't a third. 2 cents is not a third of $1. Right?
Mhm.
But look at answer choice C. I mean, that's bigger than half.
It's way bigger.
Way bigger than half. Look at D. Right? That's not a third of $1. That's 3 times $1. That's
So
what's B.
It's B. Yeah.
Which is what we said. You know, 1/3. If you punch that into a calculator, you get 0.333333333 per infinity.
Wow.
And we said 8/25 is just a little bit less than a third, which it is. Is this making sense now?
Yes.
Okay, good. We had to make it concrete. But again, that's the name of the game. Making these things concrete. Actual values that have meaning. Right? Get out of the world of theory. The world of theory is boring. It's just annoying. And we're like, what is the right operation here? It's like, okay, how much is this value? You know, 0.02 is 2 cents. 0.32 is 32 cents. Okay?